Ooh, a jean jacket with patches. Very cute. What else? Oh, a little shrug, a sweater. Is that a wraparound sweater? I think so. Nice. We're gonna have to try all this stuff on and take some pictures of you with all your new clothes on.
Yeah.
Very pretty. That'll be great for Rosh Hashanah. If it's a little cold at shul because they have the air up so cold,
Yeah.
that'll be perfect.
Yeah. I was freezing.
Yeah. What else do you got? Oh, that is such a cute skirt. I love it. That's probably like mid-calf, right? Length. That is so cute. Look at that. Love it. Hang on, let's see the other thing you got first and then we'll look at that. That I think tells us everything that's included. A maxi dress. You love maxi dresses. Oh, and I bet you could wear that over that fuchsia top. Will that go with that? Perfect. Love it.
Thank you.